So let us start the session. Today we are going to start multiple choice questions based on trigonometric ratios of some particular angles from chapter number 8. So let us start with the first question. In triangle ABC, a right angle at B, that means angle B is 90 degree and AB is 5 centimeter and angle ACB is given 30 degree. Then the length of the side BC is. So we'll draw first rough diagram. See, this is our reference angle, angle C, and AB is given and we have to find BC. So in this type of question we will see what is given and what do we have to find. So with respect to this 30 degree, this side is opposite. And what is BC? Adjacent side. And which trigonometric ratios belongs to opposite and adjacent side? Tan theta. Either tan or cot we can write. So we are going to use tan theta. So tan C is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is AB upon BC. Right? And the value of C, the angle C is given 30 degree and AB is 5. What is tan 30 degree?
1 by root 3.
Right, 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degree is equals to 5 upon BC is equals to 1 upon root 3. Now if we do the cross multiplication, what you will get BC?
5 root 3.
Right, 5 root 3. So which option is the correct one? Option A. Right. So this is the first question. Now we are moving towards question number 2. If triangle ABC is right angled at C, so angle C is 90 degree, then the value of cos of A plus B is what? That we have to select the correct option. So what is A plus B plus C?
90 degrees.
A plus B plus C? 180 degree. Why? Yes, very good. Angles and property of triangle. Now already C is given 90 degree. So A plus B कितना हो जाएगा? Right. 180 minus 90, that is equals to 90 degree. So cos of A plus B mean cos of 90. What is the value of cos of 90?
0.
0. Right. So the correct option is A. Right. So this is the second question. Now we are moving toward question number 3. The value of tan square 60 degree plus 4 sin square 45 degree plus 3 sec square 30 degree plus 5 cos square 90 degree upon cosec 30 degree plus sec 60 degree minus cot square 30 degree. So what we will do, first we will substitute all the trigonometric ratios, okay, values of all trigonometric ratios. So we'll start with the first tan 60. What is tan 60?
Root 3.
Root 3, very good. What is sin 45?
1 by
1 by root 2, right. Sec 30 degree?
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3, very good. Cos 90?
0.
0. Cosec 30 degree? 2, right. Sec 60 degree? 2. Cot 30 degree? Root 3, right. So now we are going to substitute all the values. So ये 3 हो जाएगा, this will become 1 by 2 and this will become 4 by 3. ये तो 0 हो जाएगा and this will become 4 minus 3, right. अब जो cancel हो रहा है उसको cancel कर देंगे. We'll get 2 here. This 3 will be cancelled. So what we are going to get? 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 0 by 1. And 3 plus 2 plus 4 will be 9. So correct option is option D. So this is the third question. Now we are moving toward question number 4. The value of sin square 30 degree cos square 45 degree plus 4 tan square 30 degree plus 1 by 2 sin square 90 degree plus 1 upon 8 cot square 60 degree is. So here also, in this question also, we will substitute the value of trigonometric ratios first. So what is sin 30?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Cos 45 degree?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. Tan 30 degree?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Sin 90 degree? 1. And cot 60?
1 by root
1 by root 3. So we'll substitute the values. See, this will become 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 and 1 by 3. So this step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this will become 1 upon 8 this will become 4 upon 3, 1 by 2 and 1 by 24. Now the LCM of all the denominator 8, 3, 2, 24 is 24. And we have to multiply with 3 here. 3 into 8, 32 into 12, 12, 1. And if we add all the numerator, we are getting 48. So 48 by 24. Final answer?
2.
2. So which option is the correct one?
Option 3.
Option C, right. So this is fourth question. Now we are moving toward fifth question. The value of cos 60 degree, cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree, sin 30 degree. So here also we'll substitute all the values of trigonometric ratios first. So what is cos 60 degree?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Cos 30?
3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Very good. Sin 60 degree?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degree?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Very good. Now see, after substituting, this will become root 3 by 4. This will become root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 4 root 3 by 4 will become 2 times root 3 by 4. So ये cancel कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So we are getting root 3 by 2 final. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 6. The value of sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree is. So here also we are going to substitute all the values of trigonometric ratios. So first sin 60
root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2, cos 30
Root 3 by
root 3 by 2, sin 30
1 by 2.
1 by 2, cos 60
1 by 2.
1 by 2. So we'll, after substituting, we'll get this step. So this will become 3 by 4 and this will become 1 by 4. See, both the denominators are same, so we will add the numerator. That is 3 plus 1 by 4, 4 by 4. Final answer is
1.
1. So correct option?
Option D.
Option D, because 1 is not here. So this is the sixth question. Now we are moving toward question number 7. 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equals to, now we have to check the value is equal to which option. Okay, so let us simplify the expression. What is tan 30 degree?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3, right. So we'll substitute 1 by root 3. So this will become 2 by root 3 and this will become 1 plus 1 by 3. So what is 1 plus 1 by 3?
4 by 3.
4 by 3, right. तो उसको जब हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई में लिखेंगे, when we write in the form as multiplication, so we have to take the reciprocal. So 4 by 3 का reciprocal 3 by 4 होगा. So this will be cancelled and 3 also we can cancel with root 3 क्योंकि 3 होता है root 3 into root 3. So finally we will get root 3 by 2. इसमें किसका वैल्यू root 3 by 2 है?
Sin 60.
Right, sin 60 degree. So the correct option is
Option A.
option A, right. So now the next question, 1 minus tan square 45 degree upon 1 plus tan square 45 degree is equals to what? So first we will substitute the value of tan 45 degree. What is tan 45 degree?
1.
1, right. So 1 minus 1 square will become 1 minus 1, that is 0, upon 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the final answer?
0.
0. And the correct option is
Option D.
option D, right. So now we are moving toward question number 9. Sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a is true when a is equals to dash. These questions are NCERT questions only. So we'll substitute 0 degree first. When a is equals to 0 degree, the LHS is sin 2a. So we'll substitute the value of a is 0. So sin 2 into 0 will become sin 0. And what is the value of sin 0 degree?
0.
0, right. Now we'll take RHS, that is 2 sin A. यहाँ पर 0 वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो 2 sin 0 डिग्री. Again sin 0 is 0, so 2 into 0 is 0. So that means the correct option is A. So this is 9th question. Now 10th question. 10th question is similar to the 8th question what we did right now. यहाँ पे हम लोग tan 30 डिग्री का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So this will become 2 by root 3 and this will become 1 minus 1 by 3. What is 1 minus 1 by 3? 2/3. सो उसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में लिखेंगे तो रेसिप्रोकल लेके लिखेंगे 3/2. सो 2 विल बी कैंसिल एंड 3 ऑल्सो वी कैन कैंसिल विथ √3. सो वी आर गेटिंग √3 ओनली. सो इसमें किसका वैल्यू √3 है? tan 60 degree, right? So it is equals to tan 60 degree. So the correct option is C. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 11. The value of 2 times sin square 45 degree plus cot square 30 degree minus 6 times cos square 45 degree minus tan square 30 degree is first option 6, second 3, 2, 4. So we'll substitute first, we'll simplify, then we'll check. So what is the value of sin 45?
1 by
1/√2. What is the value of cot 30?
√3.
√3. Very good. What is the value of cos 45 degree?
1 by
1/√2. Very good. Tan 30 degree?
1 by √3.
1/√3. So we'll substitute the values first. So this will become 1/2, this will become 3, this will become 1/2, and this will become 1/3. And what is 1/2 plus 3? 7/2. Very good. What is 1/2 minus 1/3?
1 by 6.
Right. So यहाँ पे 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा और 6 कैंसिल हो जाएगा and we'll get 7 minus 1 only. So what is the final answer? 6. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A, right. So this is the correct option. Right. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 12. The value of 2 sin to the power 4 30 degree plus cos to the power 4 60 degree minus tan square 60 degree plus cot square 45 degree plus 3 times cosec square 60 degree. So here also we are going to substitute all the values of trigonometric ratios. So let us start with sin 30. What is sin 30? 1/2. Cos 60? 1/2. Very good. Tan 60? √3. Or cot 45 degree? 1. Very good. Cosec 60 degree?
2 by √3.
Very good. 2/√3. So we'll substitute all the values. See, this will become 1/16. This will become 1/16. This will become 3 plus 1. And this will become 4/3. So we will get this system. And 1/16 plus 1/16 we'll get 2 times 1/16. 2 times 1/16 को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं?
1 by 8.
Right, 1/8. So and this will become 4 and this will also become 4 because 3 will be cancelled. So this step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So minus 4 plus 4 will be cancelled. So what is the final answer?
1 by 4.
1/4. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 13. The value of cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree upon 1 plus sin 30 degree plus cos 60 degree is. So we will substitute all the values first. So what is cos 30 degree? √3/2. Sin 60 degree? √3/2. Sin 30?
1 by 2.
1/2. Very good. Cos 60 degree?
1 by 2.
1/2. चलो अब हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लेते हैं. Right. So √3/2 plus √3/2 will become 2 times √3/2. And what is half plus half? 1. So we'll get this step. ये step clear है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. यहाँ पे देखो ये 2 कैंसिल हो रहा है. So what we are going to get? √3/2. So which option is the correct one? Option B. Right. So now 14th question. If 2 cos 3 theta is equals to 1, then theta is equals to dash. So सबसे पहले cos 3 theta का वैल्यू क्या होगा यहाँ पर? 1/2. एंड cos में 1/2 कौन सा एंगल में आता है? 60 degree. Right. So now we will compare the angles. So 3 theta is equals to 60 degree. So what is the value of theta?
20 degrees.
20 degree. Right. So the correct option is
Option C.
option C. Right. Now we'll move toward question number 15. Total 20 questions हैं. If √3 tan 2 theta minus 3 is equals to 0, then theta is equals to dash. So this is given. Now you shift 3 to this side और -3 को यहाँ shift करेंगे तो +3 हो जाएगा. Okay. So what is tan 2 theta we are getting? 3 by root 3. And 3 by root 3 is nothing but root 3 only. Tan में root 3 कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Tan 60.
Right, tan 60 degree. Now we will compare the angles. So we'll get 2 theta is equals to 60 degree. So what is the value of theta?
30 degree.
30 degree, right. So the correct option is
Option B.
option B, right. So now we are moving towards question number 16. If tan x is equals to 3 cot x, then x is equals to dash. So सबसे पहले हम लोग cot को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे. We will shift cot to this side. Right, so tan x upon cot x हो जाएगा. What is 1 upon cot x? What is 1 upon cot x? Tan x only. So tan x into tan x is equals to 3. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tan square x is equals to 3. What is tan x then? Root 3. Okay. क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्लस माइनस रूट 3 हो सकता है, बट वी आर taking all the values from 0 to 90 only. So 0 to 90 in all trigonometric ratios are positive. That is why we are taking it as plus root 3 only. So root 3 कौन सा एंगल में आता है tan में?
Tan 60.
60 degree. So the value of x is equals to 60 degree. So the correct option is
Option B.
option B, right. So now let us move toward question number 17. Tan 45 degree minus cos square 30 degree is equals to x into tan sin 45 degree into cos 45 degree. Then the value of x is what? So let us substitute all the trigonometric values first. What is the value of tan 45?
1.
1. Cos 30?
Root 3 by 2.
Very good, root 3 by 2. Sin 45?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 3. Cos 45 degree?
1 by root 2.
Very good, 1 by root 3. चलो सब सब्सटीट्यूट कर दिए. So this will become 1 and this will become 3 by 4 and this will become 1 by 2. Right? And what is 1 minus 3 by 4?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is equals to x into 1 by 2. Right? So ध्यान से देखो, मैं 2 को यहाँ शिफ्ट कर रहा हूँ. ओके, 1 by 2 को अगर इस तरफ शिफ्ट करेंगे तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा 2 by 1. नाउ व्हाट इज द फाइनल आंसर?
1 by 2.
राइट, 1 by 2. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज
Option C.
ऑप्शन सी, राइट. सो नाउ लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. इफ tan of a minus b is equals to 1 upon root 3 and tan of a plus b is equals to root 3, then the value of a and b respectively are. So let us start with the first one. Tan of a minus b is equals to 1 upon root 3. Tan में 1 upon root 3 कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
30 degree.
30 degree, right. So now we will equate the angles. So we'll get a minus b is equals to 30 degree. Let it be equation number 1. Now the next one is given tan of a plus b is equals to root 3. So tan में root 3 कब आता है?
60 degree.
60 degree, right. So we can equate a plus b with 60 degree. So we'll get a plus b is equals to 60 degree. Let it be equation number 2. Now we are going to add equation 1 and 2. जब ऐड करेंगे तो माइनस प्लस माइनस भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So we'll get 2a is equals to 90. This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the value of a?
45 degrees.
45 degree. And b is 60 minus 45, that is 15 degree. So we got a is equals to 45 degree and b is equals to 15 degree. So which option is the correct one?
A option.
Option A.
Right, very good. Right, now we are moving towards the next question, question number 19, which is very similar. If cos of a minus b is equals to root 3 by 2 and sin of a plus b is equals to 1, then the value of a and b respectively are. So cos में root 3 by 2 किस में आता है?
Cos 30.
30 degree, very good. So a minus b will be equals to 30 degree. Let it be equation number 1. और साइन में 1 किस में आता है?
90.
90 डिग्री. सो a प्लस b जो है वो 90 डिग्री के इक्वल हो जाएगा. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड इक्वेशन 1 and 2. इफ़ यू ऐड यू विल गेट a plus a 2a is equals to 120. So what is the value of a?
60 degrees.
60 degree. And you will get b is equals to 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree. So we got two values, 60 degree and 30 degree. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, because that option is not here. Now we are moving toward the last question of today's session. If sine of a minus b is equals to 1 by 2 and cos of a plus b is equals to 1 by 2, then the value of a and b respectively are. So sine में हाफ कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Sin 30.
साइन 30 डिग्री, राइट. ये साइन 30 है ना? ओके, वन मिस्टेक इज देयर. ओके, सो नाउ इफ वी इक्वेट दिस टू विल गेट a माइनस b इज इक्वल्स टू 30 डिग्री. लेट इट बी इक्वेशन नंबर 1. अब cos में 1 by 2 किस में आता है?
60 degrees.
60 डिग्री. सो a प्लस b हो जाएगा 60. So now we have to add these two, equation 1 and 2. So we'll get a plus a 2a, 30 plus 60, 90 degree. So 2a is equals to 90 degree. So what is the value of a?
45 degrees.
45 degree. And b will be 60 minus 45. That is 15 degree. So we got a is equals to 45 degree and b is equals to 15 degree. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So this is the last question of today's session, and in the next session we are going to do MCQ questions based on trigonometric identities. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.